Greetings from Seed and Faith. Do you know which food never gets spoiled? Yes, it's honey. Honey is produced by honeybees after a long hard work and teamwork. Anything done with strong commitment, honesty, and integrity will never get spoiled like honey. In our life, many times we motivate ourselves to do better each day to accomplish something based on each one's vision. But within few days, we get tired, depressed, or weak by our situations or the environment or the people around us. But have you noticed the honeybees? They know their purpose. They know their work. Whatever the situation may be, it fly out of the hive to collect nectar. Aren't we more than a honeybee with multiple skills and talents? Aren't we wise than a honeybee? Aren't we smart than a honeybee? Think for a while. If a small insect can lead a self-disciplined, standard life, why can't we? Stick on to your commitments. Stay true to yourself. Never expect for others' approval. Never get frightened of others. Honeybees stay committed towards their work. They never seek approval from others. And above all, they are not afraid of anyone. Because anyone can take away the honey from the honeycomb produced by honeybees. But they can never take away the gift of producing the honey by the honeybees. Be like honeybees. You are unique. Your gifts are unique. People may copy you, but they can never steal your gifts. Be happy for yourself and work on your life with principles, standards, and quality which influence others. Anything produced by you with integrity will outlive you like honey. Stay happy and be sweet as honey.